it's Bianca, and for today's video, I'm gonna share to you 100 YouTube ideas that will surely blow up your channel. The first would be a day in my life swap challenge, trip flips, TV show, Netflix, or podcast recommendations, music recommendations, what's on my iPhone, snack ideas, glow up during quarantine, DIY home decorations, cleaning my room, what I eat in a day, decluttering my closet, my quarantine thoughts, online shop with me, online school vlog, trying TikTok makeup hacks, online school vlog, song lyric prank, story times, tie-dye, everyday makeup tutorial, DIY trendy clothes, hairstyles for blank, product review, tips on how to love yourself, decorate with me. I copied Blank's Instagram. I tried following Blank's makeup tutorial, night routine, morning routine, haul of everything you bought, baking or cooking with me, get ready with me to go nowhere, room tour 2020, aesthetic apps to download, what to do when you're bored, trying on every clothes in my closet, self-care 2020, bullet journaling, room tour, how to edit YouTube videos, get productive with me, trying on clothing haul, get productive with me, a week in my life, transformation videos, recreating Pinterest outfits, Q&A videos, dealing with depression during quarantine, outfits of the week, social media detox, ASMR, aesthetic intro templates, speed eating challenge, first paycheck on YouTube, how to get monetized, how to make money as a teenager, copying Blank's outfits, lie detector challenge, Lightroom free presets, I did Blank workout for a week, how much YouTube paid me for Blank views, law of attraction of anything, trying cheap products, my Blank collection, reaction to videos, bikini haul, things to do in quarantine, how to pose on camera, to film at home, video ideas, Catfish transformation, what's in my bag, can't say no challenge, I surprised my Blank challenge, it's either your mom, sister, boyfriend, or girlfriend, ordering what the person in front of you ordered, healthy snacks, essentials, 5-minute makeup challenge, seasonal or style lookbook, how to move on, how to lose weight, how to gain weight, living alone diaries, self-love videos, positive habits that will change your life, unboxing with me, how I take pictures at home, how to start a YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video and you will subscribe to my channel. See you again in my next video. Bye guys!
Bye!